Hi friends, we're going to count with small numbers. Okay, in this one, see the little fox? Up above it, it says put 4 foxes in the box. This is the box. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4. I put 4 foxes in the box. Let's see if we're right. We did it. Okay, what number? 6. Put 6 flowers in the box. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more is 6. Let's see if we're right. Yay! Let's go on to the next question. Oh, we have acorns. What number? What number is this? You're right, that's a 7. Put 7 acorns in the box. Let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good counting, guys. I heard you. Let's check. Yay! We got it right. Next one. Here we go. What number? 2. You're right. Put 2 flowers in the box. Get ready. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's check. Yay! We got it right. Let's go on to the next one. Ooh, what is that? Banana. What number? Right, 10. Put 10 bananas in the box. Ooh, that's a big number, 10. Okay, let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more is 10. Let's check. Yay! We got it right. Ooh, look at this one. What is that? That's a whale. You're right. What number? 3. Put 3 whales in the box. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 whales in the box. Yay! We got it right again. Okay, last one. What is that? Cheese. Put 9 pieces of cheese in the box. That's a hard one. Okay, help me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? Let's check. Not quite yet. Let's count them again. 1, well, we need 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 9. I say 8. One more, 9. So I need one more. There we go. Let's check. We got it. Let's look and see how well we did, guys. Oh, we did awesome. Way to go, friends. Hope you enjoyed counting with Miss Julie. Bye.